Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML links. So the HTML links works as a bridge between multiple web pages. So we can click on a link and we can jump to another web page. And the HTML links does not has to be text. It can be image or another HTML element. So now to create the HTML link we use the anchor tag, and the anchor tag has the most important href attribute. And inside the href attribute we put the link to the target website like google.com, and as a content inside the anchor tag we put the text, and the text will be visible in the web page. So the text is now working as a link, and if we click on that link it will lead us to google.com. Now the anchor tag has another important target attribute. The target attribute specifies where to open the link document, and the target can be self, which is the default one, and it opens the document in the same window. And also we can select blank, which opens the document in the new window. And also we can select parent, which is going to open the document in the parent frame. And also we can select the option top, and which opens the document in the full body of the window. So now we're going to talk about the absolute URL and the relative URL. So while putting the URL inside the href attribute, it can be absolute and also it can be relative. So the absolute URL are usually the domain name of another website like the google.com, but the relative URL are relative to the current directory, and it usually started with the / and followed by the name of the resource. So now we're going to see how we can use one image as a link. For that we have to wrap the anchor tag around that image. So inside that anchor tag we have to put the img tag, and the source is going to be the Google image. So we have wrapped the anchor tag around that image. So I'm going to put the target as blank. Now the image is working as a link, so if I click on that image, the target google.com will be opened in the new window, and you can see we have opened the google.com in the new window. Similarly also we can make one button as a link. For that we have to wrap the anchor tag around that button. So inside that anchor tag we're going to create the button element, and the button text will be Google. So I'm going to make the target as blank. So the button is now working as a link. So if I click on that button, so it will open the target google.com in the new window. So we can use the important title attribute to the links to specify extra information about an element. Like an example, we can put the title as Google. So whenever we put our mouse over that element, then we can see the title as a tooltip. So this is the way we can create HTML links which works as a bridge between multiple web pages. And we can also use image as a link, or we can use the button as a link. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.